We've been periodically checking this Dollar General to see if they got a restock, so let's see if they got it now. No, nothing yet. Dude, I think all these people are landing at the airport over here. I don't know if you can even see them on camera, but there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm assuming that these are skydivers, right? I don't know where they're coming from, but they all got the same color chutes on. 4, 5, 6 of them. Dude, I have never in my life seen that. That's so cool. Alright, moving on to Target. Target has been a little off with Hot Wheels lately, but with Christmas approaching, I have to assume it's going to change very soon. Maybe today's the day. The dump in each case. How late are we to this? You can tell we're late because the cars are stacked. And then the pegs don't look different. What do we got for premiums? They are the same. So they only got one bin here for each case. Here's a fresh stock of the moving parts. There is the Mustang, the fire truck looking Suburban thingy, Golf, Hummer, Focus. Still got a lot of those Focuses left. Okay, well, we missed the dump bin. No big deal. These are on sale. Oh, the Auto Worlds are on sale. 2 packs, normally $9.99, on sale for $5.99. I just don't like them enough, so I don't know what plane that is. It might be the Coast Guard, but we're gonna have to pull over for this one. Aha, I knew it. I knew it. Now it all makes sense. So cool. I was just about to say, I bet you they're gonna jump out of it. That is cool, man. That is so cool. Would you do that? I would do that. Cool. Cool. That's so cool. Alright guys, the wife is back from her trip. We are now at a super Target. Oh my god, this aisle is empty. There's a lot of stuff that is not here. So actually, I don't even know if... Hey, look!
Did you see that?
Oh, wait a minute. Here's this TTR. Wait, what's up? I have that.
Oh, you have it already?
Yeah, I have it. So, I'm now realizing this, what we thought was a new set, is actually an old set. Oh, look.
Good vibes.
Oh, looky. It's a Porsche set. I've seen that a few times. But the Toyota set is here.
Is that supposed to be like that?
Probably not, no. With the Corolla, the Yaris, the Supra, the Hilux, and the 2000 GT. I don't think I've seen this one before, have I? I really don't know, actually. I don't know. Which one should I get? I have this, but I don't have it opened.
Oh.
And I've seen this a few
Then you have
times.
to get that.
Look at the purple.
I do like the purple.
Done. Purple it is. Oh, look. So they must have got a fresh restock. The only one that's missing is the JDM pack. Yeah, I just got this, actually. Alright. I don't see much else going on here. But, yeah. Did they get the dump in here, too? Yes, they did get the dump in. Let's see what case we have here. P case. Is there a Lambo in here? Okay. Wait, P case and yes. I need to find a Lambo. I'm gonna go through this whole thing, see if there's a main line in here. Alright, we are moving on to a Walmart, and this always seems to be a thing here. There are police out front, but maybe it's just for some like special holiday thing or something. By the way, it's the next day. Noticing the dumping's gone. Cool, they got some new Matchbox, a couple Supras. I pretty much have given them all away. Yeah, I think that dumping is gone for the holidays. Because of the holidays. So let's see. Anything else here? I'm gonna take those two Supras probably. A couple McLarens still here. Yeah, that's a newer case. I haven't seen any of these in a store other than Five Below yet, so that's cool. And then moving on to the premium side, it's the same stuff here. They're still hanging on to tons of the World Tour sets. They got a couple peg warmers from different Boulevard series. And I think that's about it. I don't see any dumping. I'm gonna walk around and see if they moved it or if there's a new one, but I don't think there is. All right, moving on to a Walmart. I'm told there's a dump-in here. Okay, well, where did this come from? Is there a dump-in here? I bet you there is. Is the GTR here? No, it's not. Okay, here's another 3-tiered dump-in. Likely nothing. Yes. Okay, I take that back. We're going through this whole thing to see what I can pull. Can I just say there are so many good cars in here? No, we're not going to find a Super. Probably won't even find a treasure hunt, but I mean, if you've been looking for stuff and you come across these bins, you'll be very happy, much like I am right now. It's all here, guys. All of it. Well, except for Skyline and the Cybertruck and something else too, but that's alright. We will find them eventually, just like we found the Lambo right now. Oh my god, what a score. What a score. What a score. What a score. We got everything we've been looking for. Well, mostly just a bunch of the Lambos, but there are so many cars in that bin. It's absolutely insane. It's insane. The Christmas dump-ins are giving. They are like Santa Claus. They give when you ask. And you find it all. I would like to find that minivan though. Is it here? Oh, it is here. It is here. Dude, the minivan. I think I might have to grab it. What another great hunt, guys. You saw the title. Oh my god, I found everything. And that's mostly because I've been looking everywhere for these cars. Now, guys, I usually don't buy this many of one casting, you know that, but I've really been wanting to make some customs. If you're not familiar with me and my customs, mostly it's just this one right here, the flat black Lamborghini Super Trofeo. It's the older version of this. It used to be orange, but look how great that looks. There was easily 30 Lambos in there, so I took 6 for myself. This one will be to open, and these will probably be used for customs, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with one of them when I'm finished doing this clip. So let's just go over everything we got. We hit that target up with the wife last night, and we found this guy here. This is the Nissan GTR Majorette in purple. Now, I do have this one already. However, I do not have it open. So that is 100% what we are going to be doing with this one here. And we finally found another one of these 95 Mazda RX-7s in blue. So we'll be able to open one of them. Super cool find. This was P case though, so I wouldn't have found the red Lambo there. I was a little confused. I was thinking it was Q. It would have been the Super if I found the Lambo. And boy, that would have been cool. But that dump-in was pretty much gone through, so we didn't really have a chance at finding it anyways. But that's okay. We got one of the Mazda RX-7s. And I found some of these today too, but since I got them last night, I didn't need to get any more of them. And then we just hit up that Walmart, and oh my god, did we hit. There was literally everything I've been looking for in there. No, we didn't get Supers, as I mentioned. No, we didn't get the Skylines. No, we didn't get the Tesla Cybertruck. And there wasn't any treasure hunts, so whatever. That's not really what I am looking for. I was specifically looking for these, and I was looking for these, because I've only ever gotten one of these, and it was sent to me by a subscriber. We finally got some. This, in my opinion, is one of the best looking for GTs. The white with the red stripes just looks so good. I picked up 3 of them, one open, one to keep in the collection, and well, I'll go over what I'm gonna do with the third one in a minute. We got the new Fast and Furious Toyota Supra. We got another one of these now finally, so we can open one. There was a couple of them in that dump bin as well, but I left the rest behind because I only really need 2 for these. I don't really, although a flat black one might be cool. You know what? We'll have to grab another one next time we see it. Here's the thing though, like, I don't think there's enough paint or time in the world for how many cars I've been pulling out lately thinking, ooh, I'll paint this flat black. So yeah, time is your most valuable resource. I say this all the time. I could have all the paint in the world, but getting around to painting all of them like that, unlikely to ever happen. But that's okay, we can dream about it. And yeah, here we go. We got 6 of the Lamborghini Super Trofeos. I freaking love this car. Oh my god, do I love this car. It is my favorite Hot Wheel, potentially. I really think this might be one of my favorite Hot Wheels. But since we got another one, we can finally open one, and we'll start the customization process very, very soon. Moving on, we got another one of these Subaru Impreza STI 22Bs, and I also thought, man, this will look good in flat black. That's pretty much what goes through my head every time I pick up a car now, for real. This one's for Lisa because I had forgotten to grab a third last time I was at the store, or this one's to be opened. It doesn't really matter because now I have 3. One for me, one for her, and one to be opened. Oh yeah, this was in the beginning. Forgot about that. This is the 2023 Toyota GR Supra out of one of the newer Matchbox cases that are finally hitting Walmart at the end of 2024, which is pretty funny. I had 2 of them, but the reason the police were out front was actually because of Toys for Tots. So I tossed one in the box on my way out, and we only got one. That's okay though. I was also thinking flat black on this, and that could potentially happen because I do have, I think, one more, and I have one open somewhere. So this could be a contender, and I think this would look sick in flat black. I think anything is going to look cool in flat black, really. I don't think there's one car that won't look cool in flat black. I got a challenge for you, and it's to name a car that wouldn't look cool in flat black. See if you can come up with something, because I highly doubt it. And then we got another one of these custom 53 Chevys. There was a few of them there. I thought about grabbing more, but I didn't. That's okay. We have 2 now, and I guess we can open this one. And I don't have to paint every car flat black, guys, but this thing's definitely cool, and it would look cool flat black. So that's what we got in the video, guys. Now, I mentioned this before, what I mean when I'm saying we're going to do something with one of these cars. And, well, let me just say, guys, we are so close to 15,000 subscribers. It's actually crazy how fast I jumped up. At the time of recording this, I think I'm at 942 or something, so we're literally right there, which means this giveaway has got to get started. So I'm going to start collecting cars that we're going to be putting into the giveaway, and I'm going to try to make it as sick as possible, guys. I'm not really sure how many different ones I'm going to do. I'm thinking 3, like a grand prize, second prize, and first prize, but I can't guarantee that. It's still in the works, but for the giveaway, we're going to be putting 1 Super Trofeo in. We're going to be putting 1 Ford GT in. We're going to be putting 1 Porsche 911 GT3 Matchbox, painted silver and customized with super cool details by Lisa. That's going in the giveaway as well. Oh yeah, this was also given to me by the police on my way out for Toys for Tots, I guess. So that's what's going on here. I'm going to pick a couple more cars out right now. We're going to go through them. Let's see. What do we got? We're going to do this guy right here. 71 Porsche 911. We're going to be doing this 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. And then I'm probably going to go through a bunch of my bins and grab some cool stuff out. So I don't know the size of the giveaway. I just want to make it sick, guys. You guys have supported me all this time. I got tons of cars, and I've been given lots of cars too. So we're going to make this Hot Wheels giveaway super, super sick. All right, so let's clear some of this off here and get started on opening this guy up. Yeah, let's get this started. This thing is really cool. And it's so pretty, and it's nice outside right now, and we'll be able to get a sick sun check. Wow. Dude, that is a good one. Holy crap, that's beautiful. This is actually like the midnight purple that comes on the R34 Skyline, so that is a really cool color. Are you ready for maybe one of the better sun checks we've had in a long time? Holy crap. Guys, look at that. That's incredible. This, I think, might be #1 sun check ever. This paint is incredible. Oh my god. That's incredible. That is unreal. Holy crap. Okay. Well, potentially a runner-up for #1 painted car ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just like in awe of this paint. Well, you heard me say to Lisa earlier, the paint is beautiful. The color is stellar. And we'll find that red Porsche again. Or orange, or whatever color it is. I think it's orange. We'll find it again. We've seen it like 3 times now. So next time we find it, we'll probably grab it. Yo, majorettes, guys. Open up the doors. You can't even tell inside how nice this paint actually is. You really can't. And then the hood opens too. Not crazy detailed, but I mean, you know. One of you guys commented recently they should call Matchbox moving parts Matchbox moving part. So right here is proof that the majorettes are one up on many of the other manufacturers. Plus they got suspension. Oh, and that's another thing I didn't point out. This one doesn't have suspension. That's something it's missing. Almost all the pink slips and the majorettes. By the way, guys, thanks for clearing up the size issues for me. Seems like that this majorette is 164 and these are larger. I think forget what you guys said it was, but they were a little larger than 64 scale. So yeah, that is sick. This is definitely going in a spot where you can see it. I just wish we could always have a sun check inside on our little table here, which I gotta clean up because it's starting to get a little overloaded. As I said, guys, we are so close to 15,000 subscribers. Absolutely insane. That's crazy. Could have never imagined it, but I couldn't have done it without you guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.